This 1-minute scalping trick with EMA 21 plus MACD is so accurate, you'll never trade the same way again. We're talking about a golden combination: EMA 21 as a fast trend filter and MACD as a momentum strength confirmer. You might be saying, another scalping strategy? But the difference between this one and the others is that it's designed on the 1-minute time frame and is like gold for traders who value speed and accuracy. This means you can make several trades in an hour without having to stay behind the system all day. In this video, I'll not only tell you the entry and exit rules, but I'll also give you a live chart example and even share some scalping psychology tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Let's start with EMA 21. An exponential moving average, EMA, is a moving average that gives more weight to recent data. That is, it shows price changes faster than the SMA or simple average. EMA 21 is popular because it reacts quickly and does not produce much noise. Now MACD. This indicator is a combination of two EMAs, 12 and 26, that show their difference in the form of a line and a histogram. When the MACD line crosses the signal line EMA 9, it means that we have a change in momentum. The appeal of MACD is that it can identify short-term turning points with good accuracy. When we combine these two tools, we have both the market direction and confirmation of the strength of the movement. To implement this strategy, log into TradingView or any analytical platform. Set the time frame to 1 minute. Add EMA 21 and choose a bright and clear color, for example yellow or bright green. Then add MACD with standard settings, 12, 26, 9. One important point. It is better to watch the MACD histogram space carefully, because the color change and crossing the zero line will give you strong confirmations. I suggest you test this strategy on a demo account first to get familiar with the rhythm of the signals. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Buy signal. Price closes above EMA 21. MACD line crosses above signal line. Histogram changes color from negative to positive. Additional confirmation. Entry candle is preferably a strong bullish candle. Sell signal. Price closes below EMA 21. MACD line crosses below signal line. Histogram goes from positive to negative. Additional confirmation. Entry candle is preferably a strong bearish candle. One of the biggest mistakes novice traders make when scalping is setting their loss limit too small and stopping out too early. Your loss limit should be behind EMA so that small noise doesn't blow you out. Your profit limit should be 1.5 to 2 times the risk. For example, if you risk 5 pips, your profit limit should be between 7.5 and 10 pips. It is better not to make more than 2 to 3 trades in a row, so as not to get tired and make the wrong decisions. Look at EUR/USD. Price above EMA 21. MACD cross up, positive histogram. Buy entry, stop loss 4 pips below EMA, take profit 8 pips. Result? After 2 minutes, the price reached the profit level. Such situations occur several times a day, but remember to always wait for a full confirmation of the signal. If you want to test this strategy right now, I recommend working with a broker with low spreads, fast execution, and good support. One mistake that many scalpers make is to see every EMA or MACD signal as a trade opportunity. Remember that the best signals occur when the market is trending, not in a state of suffering and directionlessness. To filter out bad trades, you can use a higher time frame, e.g. 5 minutes, and look at the overall direction of the market. If the trend is up on the higher time frame, only look for buy positions on the 1-minute time frame and vice versa. Also, note that the volume of trades on the 1-minute time frame can fluctuate greatly. During times of low liquidity, such as midnight during prime time, the quality of signals decreases. The best time to scalp is usually around the opening of the London or New York markets, as there is more volume and movement. Finally, scalping is a game of speed and accuracy, but no strategy will succeed without discipline and emotional control. Always ask yourself before entering any trade, is this trade in line with my plan, or am I just entering to fill my excitement? So remember, EMA 21 for quick trend detection, MACD for momentum confirmation, and risk management to stay in the game. If you found this video useful, like it now, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which strategy I should teach you next time. Don't forget to find the broker registration link in the description and open a demo or real account to try this strategy today. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.